Well, I'm Alan Dale from Guildford Twins. I want to tell you, it's an exciting day for me. I'm in conversation with the good folks at the Newfoundland and Labrador Construction Safety Association. Big conversations, a lot of voices at the table. I want to tell you, these folks are laser focused on keeping people safe in the province of Newfoundland and Labrador. And I'm meeting these folks one by one. And on that note, why don't you introduce yourself? Tell us what you do.
I'm Tim Crosbie. I'm Vice Chair of NLCSA. And I've been involved with NLCSA, I'd say now about 5-6 years. I come from CHBA appointee for the home builders, so I represent the home builders group on NLCSA.
Talk to me, Tim, about the importance of having so many voices around the table and why that discussion is so important.
Well, safety comes from different avenues, right? And as many stakeholders you can get into the conversation about being safe, the better your result will be. So we have people in trades, we have people in labor, we have people in industry that are represented through NLCSA. And that conversation with the people that work here will, I guess, keep people safe in their workplace. Right? The whole idea is to get people home safe.
100%. What value do you see NLCSA providing the industry largely?
Training, mostly, awareness, I guess a point of communication. We provide a resource where we can, take our knowledge and put it out into various levels of industry and allow those industries to take our training and employ it into their work. And hopefully that work is done safer and more efficient.
Tim, I've described it in my own words as being a fairly powerful tool in a toolbox. Is that an accurate statement?
I guess it's a part of your toolkit.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're an employer, what's important to you is having your job done safe, your job done well, your job done profitably, right? And you want to employ all the various tools. And having people not hurt helps your cost of labor, keeps things moving forward. You don't lose the experience in your workforce, and you have happy families. So we look at all of that as being part of the kit of somebody's successful company.
I always find it fascinating when associations and stuff have this continuous improvement mindset. Right. They're never sort of satisfied with where they are. Always introducing something new to add value to their members. Talk to me about the importance of that.
Well, we've always evolved in, let me step back and say, practices change. Companies employ different technologies and do different things to help them do their job, right? Those things require some experience and training, and then we have to take that and develop safety around that. And the more safe practices you have with new technologies and workplace habits, the better it is for everybody, right? We want people to be productive, but we want them to be safe, right? And we continuously look at areas where things could be improved. We're working on a new program now for companies, small business employers, 20 and under. We've labeled it to be Site Safe Certification. And the idea is that if you're part of that certification as a small employer, then you've done some level of training to keep your job safe, your workers safe, and then consequently the people you're engaging with will be happier with the fact that you're looking after the people who are building their homes. Primarily it's a residential construction background.
Why is it important to capture that group of people? Why is it important to find a program that meets the need of that smaller group of companies?
Because that group of people have less resources to go to work with.
Right.
And they tend to be busy. They don't have time to constantly evolve that. So what we're trying to do is help them with this certification and help them easily learn safe habits on the job site. And that's why we call it Safe Site Certification.
Yeah. A guy like you, Tim, lots of experience. You can put your energy in a lot of places. Why do you choose to be on the board? Why do you choose to give back in that way?
That's what we're here for, isn't it?
Yeah.
I want people to be safe. I want people to go to work, and I want them to come home from work. And I want them to feel comfortable and confident when they go and show up at work, that they don't necessarily get hurt.
Yeah.
Right? And that everybody gains from that formula. The employer works, family helps, everybody benefits from it. So why wouldn't I want not that to be why I spend some time?
You know, if you were at the kitchen table with the members tonight,
Yeah.
what would you say to them? What would you say to the membership about the value of NLCSA to them?
The value or what to do?
Both.
I would say engage in LCSA and enjoy, learning the things that are available to them at NLCSA.
Yeah.
Because we offer a bundle of services and supports, and those supports could be easily deployed in their workplace. And they will find, I guess, bonuses in having employees that are safe, their families are comfortable, and they're aware. And also, you be, as an employer, a very responsible employer, right? Putting those practices in your day-to-day work. And after a while, those don't become efforts. That's an everyday work habit. And that's ultimately where we want to take it. We want you to go and do your everyday work safely, and it not to be an effort. It's to be part of your practice.
Well, that's a beautiful intersection of leadership and experience and a genuine desire to give back. An absolute pleasure to be in conversation with you.
Thank you, Ed.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.